In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use an Elytra in Minecraft on the PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily set up Elytra Flight, what you will need, and how to properly control it on the PlayStation 5 release of Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Now, before I start, I just want to make something very clear. I am recording this video on my PC using an Xbox controller, but don't worry, everything that I teach you here is also going to apply for the PlayStation 5 version of the game. I'm simply recording it on my PC for convenience. So all that you will need is first the Elytra and then some firework rockets. Now, to get the Elytra, you will have to explore end cities, and this process will take a while, so I'm just gonna leave that up to you. But after you acquire the Elytra, you have to equip it on your items. Now, once you have it equipped, you will be able to craft firework rockets. To do this, you will use gunpowder and then paper. So use the paper and then gunpowder along in a crafting table. Now, if you only include one gunpowder per paper, the flight duration of the rockets is going to be 1. However, if you include 2 gunpowder, the flight duration is going to be increased to 2, and if you include 3 gunpowder per paper, the flight duration is going to be 3. So if you want the max flight duration possible, consider using 3 gunpowder with 1 paper like this. You can craft as many as you wish, but I'm just going to craft 3 here. Now, once you have a bunch of these, equip the Elytra in the chest piece area over here. And now, whenever you jump from any height, you should be able to press the jump button in mid-air. So as you can see, immediately upon pressing the jump button again, I'll start floating. You can even see my character at the top left. What you have to do is jump, and as you are in mid-air like this, you will have to press the left trigger or L2. This is going to allow you to use the firework rocket, so make sure that you don't do it like this. What you have to do is jump off somewhere, like a small cliff, start by opening the Elytra by pressing the jump button in midair and then using the firework rocket like this. Now you will be flying. Every time you use one of these firework rockets, you will gain a boost, so it's very important that you never boost towards a wall or the ground. Always boost and then try angling it upwards, so you get a lot of height and you are able to freely descend or hover. You don't have to spam these, by the way. Make sure that you are conservative, that way you won't be wasting too many. Look at how much distance I can cover with only one of these. Whenever you notice that you are losing altitude, or if you just want a little bit more boost in speed, then you can press L2 again and you will get the boost like I described. Now, if you ever want to land, make sure that you land slowly and carefully. You can land on water to make this process easier, but if you go too hard into a wall, you will take a lot of damage and you will possibly lose a life, so keep that in mind. Another way to lose speed fast is to just do a turn. So as you can see, by turning 360 degrees, I'm able to lose speed and safely land. I hope I was able to help you on how to use an Elytra in Minecraft on the PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.